In this video, we're going to look at rendering video output. In other words, generating an MP4 of your animation project. So your animation project, you can look at it as much as you want in Create Studio, but if you want to share it other places, like on YouTube or with your friends, or put it on your web page or whatever else you want to do, you're going to have to generate an MP4, which is an actual video that you can watch. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to show you this. It's really quick and simple. We should be out of here soon. Here we are in Create Studio. I'm going to create a quick project. We'll go for 1080p, and I'm going to do that, and we'll call it Render Video. And I create the project. So here we are, and I'm just going to put in a simple little animation. Let's go to the characters, and we'll bring good old Sam in. And Sam is centered, and he's got a short little video. He's going to do idle here, so he just kind of moves around a little bit. And let's say this is our video. So the first thing you want to do is save often, and make sure that you have autosave on, by the way. By the way, if I pointed this out, if I go to the system configuration, which by unclicking anything you can get there, and I go to advanced settings, there's this autosave. Make sure that you have this on, like at least every 5 minutes, that you autosave your work. That way, if you forget to save, you won't lose anything. Although the program doesn't seem to crash at all. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Let's go ahead and hit the Publish key. And what that does is it brings up a little panel. The type can be actually, look at this, there's more types. There's MOV and there's WebM, but I always do MP4s. And then you choose a destination. And later we're going to talk about organizing your work into directories and stuff like that in another lecture, but for right now I'm going to put it in my Create Studio where I've got all my class material, and I'm going to call it Render Video. Now, it's not a very interesting video, but I say save, and now it has changed the output to Render Video, and the Publish Video button has popped up, and all I've got to do is click on that, and it starts generating the video. This one's going to be really quick. Now, most videos take quite a while to render. This bar is going to creep along, and you're going to wait a while to get your video out. Multiple minutes. This is another one of those go have a cup of coffee or something and come back. Now, when you're done, you're given the option to open the file. And it opens up your favorite video viewer, which for me is Windows Media, Windows Media Player, and you can watch the video. Now, the other thing that you can do is, let's close that down. Once we're done generating the video, then you say close, and most of the time you're going to exit after doing that. Now, if I come over here to File Explorer, I should be able to see the rendered video, the MP4, and here it is down here, Render Video, and all I've got to do is double click on it, and once again it brings up Windows Media Player, and it plays it for me. Now I can take this file, this MP4 file, and I can upload it to YouTube, I can upload it to Facebook, all kinds of ways to share the finished video. It's up to you to decide what you want to do with the video, and that's rendering video output. Very simple. And in the next lecture, we're going to do the character animation workshop. So this is the workshop for the section where we're going to pull everything together and do a project that demos everything we've talked about in the section. I'll see you there.